here we go. We're going to do lab1 comp 2510. We're going to do the first two functions here. Array min, array max. I have an array of integers. Hold on. Let's do that. Any errors I make in here I'm going to leave in here because you might make them too, and let's see what they mean and how to fix them. Step 1. Include standard io.h. Basically always. Step 2. Make a main function. Int main or int main void. Curly brace, curly brace. I'm going to put the curly brace up there. Put a new line at the end. Wants to return an int. I'll return the int 0, which means basically no problems. And one of the functions we have to make is array min. Okay. We're told exactly how it has to look. It returns an int, the minimum value in my array of integers. A const int array. So you can't change it. That's what the const mean. That's okay. Size tn, which basically means int n, except the int can't be negative. That's the number of elements in there. Of course, you can't have a negative amount of elements in there. So size t is fine. I'm going to declare that as a header. Therefore, I can put that function wherever I like, and main will find it. Okay, so I'm going to pass in an array of integers. Let's make a couple of arrays of integers. Int a equals, I'll put in 7 elements here. And I'll put some duplicate elements, some low elements, some high elements, and I won't put them in order because I'm going to look for the min, I'm going to look for the max, I'm going to look for how many 5s there are later, stuff like that. And another method or function I'm going to have to make soon is, are all these values in between 0 and 100? So in array A they are, in B they won't be. 10, 25, 200, 30, minus 5. So they both have 7 elements. Made a note to myself. Okay, array min. Just need a couple of variables. An index to loop through. Just going to write a for loop here. May as well use a size t, since the index is never going to be negative. You can use an int if you like. I'm going to initialize it to 0, always. And I have a current record holder. Who's my current min? Well, the current min, I'll say, is the first element. And then I'll loop through each one and say, if you can beat that, you're the new min. I'm going to initialize I again, so it's initialized twice. That's fine. That's better than 0 times. And I'll go less than n, not equal. There's 7 elements, but they're numbered from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no element 7, so you can't be equal to n. And I'll go up one at a time and ask, are you less than min? If the array's ith element, for example, 0th element, whatever, is less than the min I've been keeping track of, let's store that. The min is equal to that thing now. It gets assigned that value. After I've done that whole loop, I'll return min. Now I've got to test it, and what I want to do is print an integer, decimal, followed by a new line. I'll call array min with my array A, which has 7 elements in it, and I expect the minimum to say 2. If it is equal to 2, this will agree and print 1 for success. They're equal. I'm going to copy paste that and say for the minimum array value for B is minus 5. If it is in fact minus 5, I should see a 1. They're equal. So I should see 1, 1. That's what I'm looking for. Control L will clear the screen. That will compile it. Run it 1, 1. Warning, no new line at end of file. Fixed. Now I'll do array max, which is copy paste basically. Int array max. That's the only change I'll make there. I'll copy paste. I can put these in any order I like, so I'll put the max up here. Could put it wherever I feel like. Max, max. Changed all the mins to max. And instead of saying, are you less, I'll say, if you're greater than my current max, congratulations, you're the record holder. When I test the max, I would expect A has 7 elements, B has 7 elements. The max in A would be 30. If it agrees, it'll print 1. They are equal. And the max for B is 200. So I would expect now to see 1111. Save. Control L. Clear. Compile. Run. 1111. Those two are finished. I'm going to save this video. I'll come back and I'll do 2 more Lab 1 videos.